Hello, this video briefly describes our project idea for the ACM Kolkata Hackathon 2020. Our team name is Bug Hoppers and following are the team members. Now we chose problem 2, the Smart Attendance app, one which can potentially solve the tedious process of physical attendance taking in each and every class. Let's have a look at the basic idea. The app will have three types of users: students, teachers and admin. A database will be maintained for two purposes. One is to keep track of or register every student and teacher with their details. The second is to record attendance for a class. The database is available in read-only format to the students. Teachers can edit attendance and the admin can edit attendance and personal information of teachers and students. Moving on to the crux of our idea, taking attendance. Students and the teachers both log into their account. The account name of every student and teacher is a regex. It contains personal details so that a student can identify the teacher and vice versa. Also, the student's unique IMEI number of his or her phone is mapped to the university roll and the teacher's IMEI is mapped to their subject ID. Now the teacher interface will automatically turn on the hotspot and all those in class will connect to it. This is where the knowing each other by account name comes in handy. Now the teacher generates an OTP with his or her app and physically writes it down on the blackboard. It is valid for 30 seconds only. The students will input their OTP and their attendance will be logged. The small time limit eliminates proxy since the students inside will not get the time to share and log his own attendance. The teacher's interface also contains a manual attendance taker for special cases like latecomers, etc. As of now, our software will be Android based only, hence Android Studio will be used. Our app also requires standard Wi-Fi, hotspot and internet permissions, and basic system permissions like preventing the phone from sleeping and modifying system settings. All are very trivial for any modern day app. Here's a use case of our app where we formally present our actors and use cases. For brevity, we've divided it into two sections. One does the rudimentary task of logging attendance, the other is more admin-centric and deals with user details registration or editing in the database and generating attendance reports as well. Following are the challenges the app may face. Proxy is almost eliminated, however it is hard to detect if a student brings in his friend's phone, which is rare in today's world. Also, in case of a rare region-wide network failure, the app might not be of use. Smart attendance systems in use today mostly use biometrics and hence require expensive hardware. Our app provides a software-only alternative of logging attendance. This would be a more efficient and cost-effective way to implement on a large scale. So that's a tiny peek at our idea. Thank you for your patience.